trying to act like I'm not flipping, but my hair grew up. Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to a new hair maintenance vlog where we are going to take care of this head. Yes, those braids have been in there for way too long. I am not even sure how long, but as you can see, they are really rusty. They look really dry, although I have been maintaining my hair day and my hair wash days. They need a refreshment, right? So we're going to do that together. I'm going to be showing you all the products that I use. We're going to hop in the shower and do a full hair maintenance day together. If you need a wash day, then this is your time to just hop in and let's enjoy this wash day together. And of course, before I forget, when you do your wash day, just make sure that you are in a relaxed, calm environment where you can do your hair calmly without any stress. We do not need to pull out their hair, or we do not need to be touching our hair while we are stressed. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. We need a good sermon or a nice vlog. And if you are watching this, I hope that you can be doing your hair with me while watching this. First things first, before you start with detangling or undoing your braids, you should always moisturize it. I use this moisturizer. This is a mixture that I made. I will later in the video explain how I did it, but I spray this. I use some cream as well that you will see at the end, and I start detangling with my hands. Beside my water bottle, I also use my Cantu Avocado Hydrating Curling Cream. This cream is good for every use. Honestly, you can use it after your wash day, but I prefer to use this one before I go in the shower to detangle it. It's a unique silicone-free formula, moisturizes dry, bitterly hair and defines curls. Made with pure shea butter, avocado oil, mango butter, and coconut oil to nourish and hydrate your strands. And if I can give you one advice, make sure to detangle your hair before you head in the shower. It's just gonna make the whole process so much easier for yourself. All right, loves, we are done. The braids are out. I haven't really combed everything through or detangled it, but my hair, I'm lucky to have really soft, 4C hair. This string won't leave my hand. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Obviously, I have a lot of shrinkage and I'm very happy to see that because it means that my hair is still healthy. But we definitely need to wash it and we need to detangle it once more. So what I'm going to do now is just wet it again with this little product of mine. What I use in this is conditioner, water, and I mix it up and then I just spray it as just something that can help me detangle faster and easier. If you would ask me, I would suggest that you always detangle your hair before getting in the shower because it's gonna make the process so much easier. Once you get out of the shower, you can just go ahead with your blow dryer of choice and blow dry it without any struggle. At least that is what I have noticed with my own routine. So friends, just take it from me, preparation before you head in the shower is key. Heart is crying. The amount of hair that I have lost today. I'm sure there will be bald spots. Guys, we're on to the next step. I'm in my closet / bureau. I did my skincare and it's already a little dry, but not fully dry. It's still wet, but you know African hair, it is like a sponge, so you can't really see the hair. You can't really see the water. So I'm just gonna use some shea butter to moisturize my hair. I've been obsessed with this song lately. It goes like, she's so perfect, blah blah blah, how I wish you would come one day, run to me, confess. I want to do that. I really want to do that transition, but I'm not sure how to start. My hair is really soft, by the way, after the shower. Did it grow? No way. You know why I'm shocked? Because I lost so much hair. That's not possible. We'll see when we blow dry it, because I don't know. Oh, the moisturizer, the shea butter is really good. I'm just gonna make some sections because that's gonna be a lot easier for me to work.
So I'm first just gonna comb through my hair before I go in with the blow dryer, because I know that it's just better to do it that way for me.
Now let me introduce you to this bad boy right here. This is my lifesaver. I believe you have 3 combs in it. You have a bigger one that I use first to really blow dry my hair, and then you have the smaller one as you see here, and this one I use to really straighten my hair more. Now, I know I look crazy, but I just wanted my hair to be out of the way because I'm gonna put some makeup on and I'll be back with the end result. And I'm not really gonna do something special, I think, but I'll let you know later. This is what my hair looks like. Wait, let me just show you how it looks like right after I blow dried it. I'm trying to act nonchalant and just trying to act like I'm not flipping for my hair, bro. Oh my gosh! Ah! Look at this hair. Okay, I could not hide my excitement because, hello, Rapunzel, where are you? Let your hair fall. I mean, my oils, everything that I've been doing, all my little science projects, they be working. Y'all can't tell me anything. A little throwback. Come on now. I am so grateful that my hair isn't lost. Like, I'm so grateful that not all my hair is gone. After the loss that I've experienced today, I was shocked. But it looks good. Now I know how we're going to avoid losing so much hair. Don't keep your protective hairstyles for too long, and don't be wearing wigs all the time. I'm gonna make another video on that because I love me some good wigs. Like, my hair, if my hair don't look good, I don't feel good. So, but honestly, even with my beautiful crown on my head right now, I feel amazing. I could go outside like this, and I'm just so grateful. But let me just finish getting ready and I'll be back. This is the end result. So the hair is shrinking. It is definitely shrinking. I'm in love. I'm in love. I feel like beside the hairline, everything looks really great. I'm just gonna go one more time in with my blow dryer just to show you how it really looks when it's freshly blow dried. There's something in my eyes, in my face rather. Okay, but this is the end result and I am really in love with my hair. I'm so grateful for the growth, and I'm also going to be more consistent with just wearing my hair out because I'm going on a walk with a friend and I'm just gonna go like this because period, my crown looks beautiful and I feel the most confident that I have ever been in a while. I am really grateful for how it turned out. I feel like myself again. I feel beautiful. My hair is beautiful and I am grateful that God takes care of this little crown of mine. Also, if you like this video and you want to see more of me, please make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet, and leave a comment down below if you have tips or other tricks that I didn't mention or things that I'm doing wrong. I am here to learn as you are, and I hope that we can all grow together. So I hope to see you in the next vlog. Thank you so much.